Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you? Hope you are well. I am also well. Okay, I will take a class with you. Let's go with me. Welcome to everyone to Kochua Online School. Okay. Welcome to everyone to my class. Okay, let's go to my learners. At first, my identity. I am Zahid Sheikh, Assistant Teacher English, Mubaidul Islam High School, Kochua Bagerhat. Okay, in the board, you can see a picture. I think some of you also know the picture and some other do not know the picture. Okay, you have to guess sometime about the picture. Okay, you also know this is the very picture is the Taj Mahal. It is situated in Agra in India. Okay, you also imagine that our today's lesson will be wonders of the world. Okay, my learners, you also open your EFT book, lesson 22. Okay, learning outcomes. Today's lesson, student will be able to read the text. Students will be able to make a dialogue. Students will be able to write a paragraph. Okay, let's go to our today's session. Okay, vocabulary. You can open your EFT book and you will find the vocabulary. I also think these from the text. At first, known. At first, the word you can see the word known. What is the meaning of the very words? Having an idea of a thing. Having an idea of a thing. Okay, clear? Next word, tomb, T-O-M-B. The word tomb, you also know the word some student and other cannot know. Tomb, the meaning, a structure on a grave. In some places, it will be in Muslim faith or Hindu religion faith. You also see side of a road, the structure also made for on a grave. On a grave, its name is tomb. A structure on a tomb. On a grave. Empire. The next word, empire. The meaning of the word, ruler of a certain area. Empire, the meaning of the word, ruler of a certain area. Ruler who also the main or who maintain an area is called a empire. Next word, architecture. Next word, architecture. Technique or system of making a building. Technique or system of making a building. You can see many buildings in many places. These buildings are made on are not made on same structure. The government buildings are also same structure, but others buildings are not same. They are different in architecture. It also called the system of making a building. The word also in English, architecture. Artisan, the man who works for making a beautiful building. Building. In the section, you also know the two things of a building. General building, beautiful building. Beautiful building, if you see a beautiful building, your eye will catch the building and you also praise the building and it is a beautiful building. And the making system of a beautiful building and a general building are not same. The beautiful building making a complex work and the person who work for making a beautiful building are called artisan. Okay, clear the word. Okay, let's go for more words. Universally. Universally. Take anything at same importance to all. Take anything at same importance to all. You know the word, if you give any same importance of anything, the English word also universally. Okay, our next word combine. Our next word combine. Let's go. The meaning: system of making one thing with another. System of making one thing with. System of mixing one thing with another. Okay, if you make one thing with the two thing or any more, the system of mixing the one with many is called the word combine. Okay, next word admire. Next word admire. The meaning: good saying of anything or person. Admire good saying. Just like this is a pen, you can see this is a pen, and if the pen is good, I also praise the pen is very good, I can write easily with the pen. This is a admiring word. Okay, this is the thing or any person. From my students, from my learners, there are some students who are very favorite to me. I also make good saying for them in many places. This is my talking is also admire. Good saying of anything or person. This is called admire. Shocked. Next word shocked. Becoming upset. Becoming upset of sad news. Sad news. You also know good news or sad news. If you hear any good news, your mind will fill with joy. If you hear any bad news, your mind will be very bad. Becoming upset of a sad news. Becoming upset of a sad news, the word also in English shock. This is the all of the vocabulary in the text. You have to underline the word from in the text for reading the text. Okay, let's go. Now we will read the text and you have to follow my reading and follow the textbook. The Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. I think there is nothing new. Known the word I also show you in vocabulary section, and I think you also know the meaning of the sentence. It is a white marble tomb located in Agra in India. Okay, you also know the Taj Mahal. It also built by Shah Jahan for universally recognition of his love for his wife. You also know before. Okay, it is a white marble tomb. You also know the meaning of the word tomb before in my vocabulary session. Okay, white marble tomb located in Agra in India. Okay, it also situated in Agra in Agra state in the country India. Okay, let's go for the next. Do you know the story behind the Taj Mahal? Interrogative sign. Do you know? If you do not know, you also know the meaning of the structure. Okay, the Mughal emperor, you also know the meaning of the word emperor, and the Mughal, this is a name of a dynasty. Shah Jahan loved his wife Mumtaz Mahal more than his life. More than his life. Okay, Shah Jahan loved his wife. Loved classification in the section. Simple love, more love, very love. Okay, Shah Jahan loved his wife more than his life. Mumtaz died at an early age. They are not alive all. Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan, they all are died. Okay, Mumtaz died at an early age, very early age. Mumtaz died. Shah Jahan was very shocked at her death. Shocked, you also know the word before. For the death of Mumtaz, Shah Jahan was very shocked. So he built the Taj Mahal as a token of love for his wife. Okay, gradually you also know the history of the Taj Mahal. So in the before I do not say you more. Okay, from the reading you also know more. Okay, so he built the Taj Mahal. This is the example of past indefinite tense. So he built the Taj Mahal as a token of love for his wife. Okay, next. It is the place where Mumtaz is sleeping forever. It is the place where Mumtaz is sleeping forever. Okay, I think there is nothing new. You also know the section. Okay, next. The Taj has an area of about 1003 acres or 405 hectares. The area of the Taj Mahal 1003 acres or 405 hectares. The Taj Mahal is the finest example of Mughal architecture. You also know the meaning of the word architecture. The Taj Mahal is the finest example. Fine, finer, finest, superlative form. Very, very fine example of Mughal architecture. Okay, in those time there were many buildings, but the Taj Mahal was the finest structure from them. Okay, let's go. It combines, you also know the meaning of the words. It combines the art of Persia, Turkey and India. The structure also combines three architecture from different country, Persia, Turkey and India. You can see three kinds of combines of three country. Okay, let's go. I think there is nothing new. It took 21 years and thousands of artisans. You also know the meaning of the word artisans before, and craftsmen, artsmen and craftsmen, almost same, to complete the Taj Mahal. Okay, thousands of artisans and craftsmen worked to complete the Taj Mahal during 21 years. The Taj is universally admired. You also know the meaning of the two words. The Taj is universally admired as one of the wonders of world. This is the all of the passage. Okay, I think you also know more about the passage, and let's go for the next term. Okay, choose the correct answer. Okay, in my work there is no answer. You have to read the passage again and you have to choose the best answer from the four. Thousands of artisans and craftsmen completed the Taj Mahal dash years, in 12 years, in 20 years, in 22 years, in 21 years. You have to know from the passage and you have to choose. I do not give you the correct answer. Number 2, the Taj has an area of about 1003 acres, 450 hectares. C number A and B, D number all of the above. You have to write the correct numbers from A to D. Okay, next, number 3. The death of Mumtaz left Shah Jahan. The death of Mumtaz left Shah Jahan pleased, very happy moment, shocked. You also know the words from the passage. Delighted, joyous moment, happy, joyous moment. Okay, I think you also know the 4 words, the meaning of the words. Okay, now for you have to choose the correct answer. Number 4. The Taj Mahal is a white marble tomb located in India, in Pakistan, in Nepal, in Bangladesh. You have to write the correct answer. Number 5. Mumtaz died at an early age. The term early age means. Okay, you have to write the meaning of the word early age. Early age, old age, childhood age, teen age, premature age. Okay, I think you also know the meaning of the 4 section. Old age, childhood age, teen age. Teen age means 13 to 19. During the age of 13 to 19. Premature means the before age of a adult age. You have to write the correct word from the 4 of the word early age. I think you also know the meaning of the 4 words. Okay, next, the number 6. Shah Jahan was very shocked at her death. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to death? Shah Jahan was very shocked at her death. You also know the meaning of the word shock, and I think you know the meaning of the sentence. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to death? Opposite meaning. Okay, you also know opposite means. Okay, number A, birth, die, go, new. Birth, die, go, new. I think you also know the meaning of the 4 words, and you have to choose the right words from the 4. Okay, this is all in form for the lesson. You also know from the text, and you also choose the best answer, and this is the end of the class. Okay, for the next session you have to do homework. Write the best answer in your notebook. First homework, write the best answer. I also showed you 6 numbers of correct answer. You have to write it on your notebook, and you have to show it to your family members or any teacher if you get. Number next, you have to write or make a dialogue between you and your friend about the Taj Mahal. Okay, through reading the text you can make a dialogue, or you can write a dialogue with your friend. Okay, next, you can write a paragraph. Through reading this passage you can write a paragraph on the Taj Mahal. Okay, this is the last and end of the class. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks to all. Okay, see you again in my next class.